Hello friends, welcome to a fresh new episode of our channel RG Innovations. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. In today's video, we are going to discuss about this TS5A23157 2-channel SPDT Analog Switch module. This is a switching module and 2 channel of the switches can be operated individually. You see, this is a 12-pin module. The header pins does not come soldered with this module. I have soldered the header pins so that I can use it on a breadboard. Here are different pins on this module. I'll tell you about the function of each pin. Let us first learn what is this module about. It is a 2 single-pole analog switch module that is developed based on TS5A23157 Dual 10 ohms SPDT Analog Switch chipset. This chip is a pair of single-pole double-throw analog switch chip that can be used for running digital and analog signals. This chip is a bidirectional break before make switch. That means during switching action, one connection must be broken before the new connection is established. This switchboard module connects a COM pin to just NC or NO pins. You can see here NC and NO pins are marked beside the pins. It means that in normal condition, when the control signal is at the low level, the COM pin is connected to the normally closed, that means NC port, and when the signal is high at the COM pin, the connection of the COM NC is broken and COM port is connected to the normally open, that is the NO port. The NC and NO pins can never be sorted and cannot simultaneously be connected to the COM pins. This switch module is supplied with a 5V DC as VDD and can switch 1.6V to 5.5V driving lines compatible with more logic level circuits that can eliminate requiring additional source voltage line for driving line and can replace it with same VDD. This module has 2 channels, 2 poles and double throw. The on resistance is very low, it about 10 to 15 ohms. The control pins, that means CM1 and CM2, they are 5V tolerant. Operating voltage is 1.65V to 5.5V and maximum load current at the control pins are 50 milliampere and maximum operating temperature is 125 degrees centigrade. So these are the technical specification of the module. Now we will see the function of the module on a breadboard. I have prepared the circuit on the breadboard. I have given the circuit diagram in the description section for downloading. You can download it from there. So I am not wasting much time on building the circuit. I am just inserting the module on the breadboard. Briefly, I am describing the circuit. First, I am describing the pins. You can see the VCC pin where 5V positive power supply is given. You can see the GND pin, ground pin, the negative power supply is given. In 1 is the control pin for switch channel 1 and in 2 pin is the control pin for the switch channel 2. CM1 is the common pin for switch 1 and CM2 is the common pin for switch 2. Then this side also VCC is connected to this VCC. We can get 5V from here. This is the ground pin. It is a parallel with this ground pin. Now the NO1 and NC1 is the part of the switch 1. The NC1 is connected with CM1 when there is no voltage or the control pin is at low level. When the control pin is at high level, the CM1 pin connects with NO1 pin. Same with NO2 and NC2. The CM2 is normally connected with NC2 when there is no input in the in2 pin, and when there is high level in the in2 pin, the CM2 pin connects to NO2 pin. This is the basic operation, and since the switching is bidirectional, we have connected in that way, and this module works both in analog and digital mode. So we have connected a potentiometer in the CM1 pin for the voltage level CM1 pin. Let me zoom out it a little. We have connected a potentiometer. The middle pin of the potentiometer is connected with CM1 and the output from NC1 and NO1 are connected to 2 LEDs. When there is no power in the in1, the green LED will glow, and when there is power, the high level in the in1, the blue LED will glow. And we can control the brightness with this potentiometer. I will show that in the demonstration. For showing the bidirectional property, we have connected positive power supply to NC2 and negative power supply to NO2, and the output from common one has been fed to two LEDs. The blue LED is negative terminal and the green LED is positive terminal, and the other side of the blue LED is connected to the positive power supply. The other side of the green LED is connected to the negative power supply. So that when there is positive power at the green LED glows, and when there is negative power in the blue LED glows. Now we will give power supply to the breadboard. So I have given the power supply. You see, initially the green LEDs are glowing because the common 2 pin is connected to NC pin and the NC pin is connected to the positive power supply. So the positive power supply via CM2 is going to here to the blue LED and green LED. But since the green LED's other side is connected to the negative power supply, the green LED is glowing, blue LED is not glowing. And here we have given the positive power supply via the potentiometer to CM1 pin, and CM1 pin is now connected to NC1 pin, that is going to the green LED, and green LED here is glowing. Now we have connected two switches for giving high level voltage, that means 5 volt to in 1 and in 2. This one goes to in 2 and this one goes to in 1. First let us check with in 1. When we are pressing this button, the in pin is getting high level voltage and the CM1 pin is connecting to the NO1 pin, and the blue LED is glowing. We release the button and the green LED is again glowing. So this works as a relay switch, and if we adjust the potentiometer, the brightness of the LED will dim. We can increase and decrease the brightness of the LED. So it works both in analog and digital mode. Now for the second switch. This switch gives high level to the in2 pin. So when we are pressing this, the blue LED is glowing. You see, we have connected the same pin, the common pin, to both the LEDs. But when it is connected to NC2, it is getting the positive voltage, and when it is connected to NO2, it is getting the negative voltage. In this way, we can see that this module works in a bidirectional mode, also in analog and digital mode. Now once we will check the resistance between the pins when there is no load. So I am bringing my multimeter. It is in the 200 ohm setting. So let's check. First I am removing the load from the module and also the voltage from the common pin. Now we are connecting to the common 1 pin and NC1 pin. You see, the resistance is only 5.5 ohms, and with NO pin it is infinite because there is no supply in the in pin. Now if I press this button, the CM pin connects with the NO pin, and now you see the resistance become 5.5 with the CM pin and NO pin. Now if I see the resistance between CM and NC1, there is no connection. It is infinite resistance. And if we check the resistance between N1 pin and NO pin, this is also infinite. So this is our TS5A23157 module, switching module. This works both in analog and digital mode, as I said, and we can use this for switching digital and analog signals as well as audio, and this module can be used as a DPDT relay also. So today up to this. If you have any query about this module, please feel free to ask me in the comments. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it. If you are not subscribed to my channel RG Innovations, please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So I conclude here today. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time, and thank you for watching once again.